What if your shot at working in the US just got a whole lot harder? That's the reality now, as the long-standing H-1B visa lottery is being scrapped and replaced with a new system that could shut the door on thousands of Indians trying to work in America. Under the old system, when demand far exceeded the 85,000 annual cap, USCIS picked registrations randomly, giving many Indian applicants a fair chance at a visa. Now the Trump administration is overhauling this, ditching the pure lottery and shifting to a weighted selection that prioritizes workers with higher wages and skills. The official rationale is to protect American jobs and reduce abuse of the program, arguing that companies often use the lottery to bring in lower-paid foreign employees instead of hiring domestically. Critics say this change effectively makes it tougher for entry-level and mid-level applicants, many of whom are Indians, to secure H-1B visas, because higher-paid roles have better odds in the new system. This reform is scheduled to take effect in early 2026 and is part of broader immigration shifts that also include a steep fee increase and tighter vetting. For Indian students and professionals who have relied on the H-1B pathway as a bridge from education to long-term careers in tech and other fields, this is a major setback. Now many will need to rethink their U.S. plans, consider alternative visas, or look at other countries that still welcome skilled talent. Stay tuned, because this could reshape Indian talent flows for years.